bonito, todo me parece bonito. Bonita mañana, bonito lugar, bonita la cama, que bien se ve el mar. Bonito es el día que acaba de empezar, bonita la vida. Respira, respira, respira. Bonito, todo me parece bonito. Bonita mañana, bonito lugar, bonita la cama, que bien se ve el mar. Bonito es el día que acaba de empezar, bonita la vida. Respira, respira, respira.
Make you laugh without saying a word. People have to yell nowadays to get heard. But Charlie was a man and that man could turn serious into delirious. He had a myriad of ways to paint this mountain. And it's a talent most people should learn how to make you laugh without saying a word. People have to yell nowadays to get heard. But Charlie was a man and that man could turn serious into delirious. He had a myriad of ways to paint this mountain.
By comparing the two, I prefer the most the Pulse 6 sound balance, combined with a good sound volume and low price. It has an almost flat sound, mid-centric, but with a good performance in bass and highs. The Boom X has a V sound, with a mid-range distant, but considerable bass extension and treble. A good sound of the mids is good for singing. In this sense, I prefer the Pulse X. In my opinion, the Pulse 6 have a more sound balance.